I'm Julie Manns, and this is the Unfinished Business Report Trade Ideas for Thursday, December 1st. Both of our ideas from yesterday went the exact opposite way that we thought they might go, so we're going to trash those. They're off the list, and we're going to look at a few more from today that didn't go fully or might continue tomorrow. So one from our trading room that we were looking at from Adrian's plan from yesterday is DECK. So DECK did have a nice pullback this morning where there was profit opportunity from the resistance level of yesterday. Let me squish this down so you can see it. So you can see that today's resistance lined up nicely with yesterday's support off the opening here through here, and then did travel down. But if you look over here on the daily chart, it really didn't make the move down into this area that Adrian was expecting it to do. It may not, but it's got some great signs here toward end of day of doing so. So it's closing in the bottom of its range, couldn't hold on to gains, had an inside day. So we'll see what happens tomorrow morning on that one. Also, I'm going to look at XL. XL actually had a really nice day for us today in our trading room. And you can see it also had an early entry opportunity and then traded lower most of the day. Here on the daily, you can see it did some sliding. I don't see any reason why it wouldn't keep sliding. Again, they might gab it up in the morning to try and hold on to that. So I'll have that on my list. I also want to put JEC back on the list. Sometimes what I do is go back over a couple days when I'm setting this up. So I don't just have today's plan and look for tomorrow's continuations. I'll sometimes go back and visit the other days where we had setups that didn't quite develop or the next day didn't look quite as strong as it could be, but I like to sort of see what happened. So I'm going to put JEC back on the list. It closed in the bottom of its range. It is at a 52-week high. Sinker setup, it was an infield fly the day that it was on our plan. Those are all names of setups that make it easy shortcut for us to talk about them. So they're baseball analogies and from Adrian's first book. So anyway, I'm going to put that on the list for short. You can see that they're keeping this range pretty consolidated, although it did have some nice intraday movement as they pushed up and then it fell lower. I think that's enough to look for tomorrow. I would love to put a long on the list, but none of those are panning out, so we will keep searching. I hope everyone had a great trading day. I'm going to also put up, if you'd like to join us in the trading room for a couple weeks of an open house, please don't hesitate. You can get Adrian's trading plan as well as join us in the room. So you can click here and sign up and come see us in the room. Hope everyone has a great afternoon.